exciting for me as governor to be able to be the place where this first forum is able to welcome the White House. So with that, I'm going to turn it over to Governor Jim Doyle from Wisconsin, and then he's going to turn it over to Melody Barnes, and then I'm going to ask just very briefly our great representatives from Congress who are here, Representative John Dingell, Representative John Conyers, to say just a brief word before we start asking you questions, okay? Please say a few words from the Wisconsin perspective.
I want to thank Jennifer Granholm. She has been a great friend. We were attorneys general together, and were elected governors at the same time. We have done a lot of great work together. I have watched Jennifer work as hard, if not harder, than any governor in this country, focused on how we bring back a strong manufacturing base in this country, and obviously in the upper Midwest and Wisconsin. Those efforts are deeply appreciated. So Jennifer, thank you, and thank you for hosting me. And there are a lot of Wisconsin people here with us today as well. I am also just excited to be here, to be as part of this first regional forum. We have a tremendous new president, filled with a lot of energy, facing challenges like few presidents have ever faced before, being told in some issues like health care, maybe it's time to slow down, and yet it is clear that he and his administration and the members of Congress are ready to take on this incredibly important task. We all face it all over the country, but certainly here in the upper Midwest, in Wisconsin and Michigan. The rising costs of health care make our businesses less competitive, put health care further out of reach for average or ordinary hardworking citizens. And at the state level, we have done a lot of work in recent years to meet these needs. I'm very proud to say that Wisconsin, with Badger Care Plus, with the help of, we have a number of state legislators who are here, who have been part of it, and others who have been involved, we have been able to build out our system to where we are about to reach 98% coverage in the state of Wisconsin. Just last year, by expansion of our Badger Care Plus program, we have added over 100,000 people. Over 70,000 of them are children who did not have health insurance just 1 year ago, but have health insurance today. And we are extremely thankful that President Obama, the Congress and President Obama, as one of the first acts of the new administration, was to take the Children's Health Initiative and once again ensure coverage for children across the United States. But we obviously have a long way to go, and that's why I look forward to this discussion today and the discussion that's going to happen in other parts of the country in the coming weeks, as people from our states, from our communities, are going to be able to have their voices heard on what the direction of health care reform should be. I think there is an incredibly broad consensus that we need reform. And now we need to help those who are working so hard for us in Washington to make sure that that reform is something that really delivers what we need in our states. Affordable health insurance available to everybody to make sure that people, that people can get the health care they need and that businesses can be competitive.